good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. I'm in the office. I'm tuning in because it's a little chilly outside. I already know, man. Before we even go out there, I like go ahead and do the intro in the office. But today we about to move around. I gotta go drop these heads off and meet my guy from out of state. He coming down to pick the heads up, so we gotta go do that. I got to drive about an hour out, meet him to my hometown. Then we're gonna stop by Lawless. I gotta check on the Camaro and all of that. Like I said, see what's going on with the Camaro, man. It should be about wrapping up, man. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this car this week. Well, I know I'm gonna get it this week. I keep saying pretty sure. I'm going to get it this week, man. I'm pretty sure them guys been rolling over there. So we're gonna stop by Lawless and do that. And we're gonna see what else we get into today. So I don't know, it's gonna be a good day, man. That's all I can say. It's gonna be a good day. So without further ado, man, I'm about to hit the road and start rolling. Y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all. About to hit the road. Time for y'all to go to y'all new owner. Gotta take these things. About to take them. Oh Lord. I had to get my little tears, man. They about to go. But y'all gonna make some power somewhere else. Make some power somewhere. So we about to hit the road. Part power getting smaller. Bad boy light. Featherweight, boy. So about to head down to the shop. That's where I'm gonna meet them at. Meet them at Joe Buddy Racing. There they go. They out of here. So we're gonna drop these off. Then we're gonna hit Lawless. See what the update is on the Camaro. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Over here on the Camaro, man. Y'all see they working. Getting it in, knocking that thing out. I said, man, we'll be back in this thing this week. Knocking it out. I see all them parts out the ground. It's over with. But a lot of progress. Cold side on. That's the oil feed line. No, I think this the feed line. I can't remember. But the hot side is done. Let me brighten it up for y'all. Remember, that was the problematic pipe right there. They got all that hot side on. It's the HURON speed kit, so y'all can get the look to see how it mount. Now, previously, all my stuff was going to the back. I had that crossover pipe was lower than this. That jump was scraping every time. And it just better, man. It just better. HURON speed. Y'all hit John up, shoot him an email. He'll get you right. Y'all see we got all that turbo mounted down now. You can get some of that ground air coming. Get to the turbo. So we got that all hooked up. Boom, boom. Everything V-banded and clamped. Play for your O2 right there. Everything, man. Then we're gonna run the fender exit. Gonna run the pipe. Oh, let me see. Oh, it's already hooked up. Hold on. I ain't even see that. Oh, they hooked that up. So I don't know how they're gonna work, y'all. Might have to be made. So see, they made. Hold on, I'm looking at it, y'all. I think they made to exit out over here. Oh, I don't know. Oh, it made to dump on the car. I don't know. But we're gonna pin the exit that thing. But like I said, they got all that on. Cold side on, man. I like that look, polished. Previously, my stuff didn't look that good, the cold side. So this where we at with everything. Y'all see up there? Yes, indeed. It's on. So look, while I got this up here, I can show y'all how turbo routing stuff. Cause people probably get confused. But this, one side, the cold side, this tube right here run up to your throttle body, run to your intake. So that long tube y'all see right there, it comes down and run to your intercooler. This other side run to your turbo, the cold side of your turbo with the housing it. So y'all, right there. This called your cold side right here. That's your hot. That's obviously why I rusted. But And then your hot side, that bolt on to your turbo over there, your turbine, which is this pipe right here, this curve. And that's your exhaust. It's your actual exhaust. So I mean, we rolling. Then this right here come off the headers. That's your crossover. They connect together. So that's how that works. Now previously, like I said, all this was back to the back. I had my headers facing the back. The crossover came over. Then you had this piece right here came up through here. You had the fender exit right here. So yeah, they rolling, man. So this all left. Like I said, that's my old fender exit piece. It just gotta be wrapped. I think that's all. It gotta be wrapped up. Which, oh, that's the cover. It's the old cover, but yeah, it just gotta be wrapped, and that's it. The hot side stuff. It just keep your heat down. Cause see, you wrap all this up to keep the heat down. So won't be long. Won't be long. Then put the nose back on, the fan and all this stuff. Be good to go. So yep. So that update on that, y'all. Y'all good look at it. Go up top, give y'all a good look. Then we're gonna have the CO2 hooked up this time, and the waste gate. This should blow off. I think this should blow off valve. And the waste gate goes. I'm trying to remember. Hot side. I don't know. I gotta see where the pipe at. But anyway, that's it. That's where we at right now with everything. Yep. Y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Checking in. Got to show y'all this tight work just did over here at Lawless. They showing the rear end, shocks, all that. Just put coilovers on it. Show y'all. Y'all probably can't see it. Oh, there you go. They just did that. Coilovers. Fitted the wheels on here. My bro Damien. And I'm gonna tell y'all a funny story about this. He over here right now. Just talk to him. And the whole time now, this car been over here. Didn't know. He came to the car meet actually. He came to the car meet. So, yeah, the good look, good thumbnail. But he came to the car meet and he was back there in the back. But like I said, a lot of people got a truck on video. He got a nice truck too, jacked up. Chevy truck. But this is his car. So this is a supporter. Y'all know I don't say no subscriber, none of that. So actually a supporter. And man, he been looking for a car to be on video, but you don't know. So yeah, man, it's good to show him on video and stuff. Be able to show the work they doing over here at Lawless and all that too, man. Cause he got a nice ride. Look at that paint, that pearl. See if I can. Y'all see that pearl, that pink in here? But yeah, they just fitted. They fitted the wheels, coilovers, and is that all y'all did to it, Jess?
Yeah, just on this one.
Okay. So shocks and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure it'll be back. Told y'all, everybody come over here to Lawless now. Good work, good customer service. They stand behind their work, all of that. Look at that paint, that pearl, man. Y'all don't do it justice. So y'all hit Jesse up, number on the screen. Lawless, hit him up. A lot of people coming over here and they knock him out. The whole team, man, it's some great guys. They do some good work for real. Y'all know I want to keep telling y'all if they didn't. So, and shout out to Damien. Man, he came to the car meet. That's crazy, small world. I ain't know this is a car. Shout out to Damien, man. Got a sick box. I'm sure y'all see it at the car meet. He got to get some longer studs for the front rotors. So they taking the front wheels off. He was gonna drive it home, but they gotta get, like I said, some longer studs for the front rotors, and then, you know, he'll be back, put the wheels on, then he ready. But I'm glad he about to get ready and get to enjoy his car and all that good stuff. So yeah, So baby girl birthday, man. Just went and picked her gift up and all that. We're gonna get back to the house. Man, look at this paint, man. That paint, this is a real pearl. This is a real pearl. Y'all, the camera can't do it just. But that paint, you can see it right there in the top a little bit. But like I said, the camera don't do it just. But yep. Came over here to check on the Camaro. We're gonna get to the house, man. Get set up for baby girl, cause like got to do it big for them. I told y'all they big on them birthdays and stuff, and they go above and beyond for me and Kendra's birthday. Boy, they be talk. If it's Kendra's birthday, they taught me to death. We got to do this for mommy, and we got to get balloons and all this, and same thing for me. So slide to the house, and I'll check back in with y'all.
It ain't got 500 miles on it.
Not even 500. Look, not even 500 miles on the engine, y'all. LS swap. I know y'all like that. LS swap. It nice. It nice, man. AC on it. Everything work. I'm glad he get to enjoy a car. He just gave me the rundown and the story on it, which I'm not gonna share that on here, but I'm just glad he get to enjoy a car. Cause I feel him. But what LS is it?
It's the LQ4. Came out of
6.0.
Yep.
One of them.
I stroked it.
One of them. Okay, so it ain't.
It's supposed to be like a 408.
408. Okay, 408, y'all. 408 LS. So this thing here gonna ride good. Ride good. It's clean too. Clean install. Look like it came here from the factory. I'm talking about nice setup. Look at the hose. It's clean. Oh yeah. Y'all see it again. Y'all will see it again, cause he gonna change it up. And this car, he said this car been painted 4 years. You said 4 years, right?
Yep.
4 years, man. 4 years and it's still OG interior, clean. You gonna change the interior too?
I want to leave that alone, but eventually probably
Interior, everything, man. It's not hurt or nothing. OG interior. Top ain't hurt and everything. But yeah, it's clean. This is a clean install. 4.8. Know it's gonna go down the road. Easy. EFI. It's fuel injected. It got the intake on it. It's fuel injected. Like I said, he still want to go for the old school look. Actually, his first LS engine. His first LS engine. He about like me, man. He used to dealing with small blocks and stuff. So he want to try this out, baby. Take it, put his wife and kids in there, and you know, just ride, hit the highway, everything. So yeah, he about to take this thing home and get the longer studs. Then he gonna put the front wheels on. Shoot, gonna be in the game. It's clean. All right, we gonna crank it up. Drop of the key. Sound good. Sound good. Magnum flow. Speaking of Magnum flow mufflers. So I know people want to ask. Same mufflers I had on Cheapskate. Sound good. Nice and mellow. Well, like a sewing machine, it's quiet, run quiet up here. It's nice, man. It's real nice. Turn down right at the rear axle. Get that exhaust note on, y'all. Crispy, it's real crispy too. Y'all see how the RPM go up, come right back down. It's nice. So it's a nice car. Real nice car. How the door closed. So yeah, this crazy, y'all. This car, I've been sitting over here when I come to check on John Jones, man. We could have been recorded, showed love. So shout out to Damien. Y'all see more of them. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at the house, back from Lawless Streetcars, picking up baby girl gifts. all that stuff, meeting, dropping the heads off. Man, I would have got my boy on camera, man. They bought the head, good dude. He got some nice cars too, but I don't know if he trying to stay secret with it. Build, I ain't even asking none. We chopped it up, man. It's been a good conversation to catch on camera, good laughs and stuff. But then shout out to my bro Damien, man. It was good to meet him. I met him at the car meet, but you know, I met so many people. Even though it'd be kind of hard to remember, not then you just shake hands and stuff like that, and you see so many faces. So that's why I like more one-on-one interactions, cause you know you can remember versus when you meet a lot of people at one time and all that. But he actually was at the car meet, so shout out to Damien. Been watching a long time too, and you know he gave him some good game too, talking about, you know, how I keep him motivated, and you know I hear from some of y'all anyway, and y'all keep me motivated. That's what I tell him. A lot of YouTubers, they'll say they read the comments and this and that, but it's just to try to keep people engaged with looking at their video. But I really do feel like everybody on this family is everybody on this channel is family. Cause like I told him off camera, like I really do read all the comments. Cause right now it ain't to the point where it's so many comments I can't read them. Now when I get to the point I start getting 400 and 500 comments, stuff like that, that's gonna be kind of hard to read. I'll probably read the first 100 or something. You just can't do it. Like on my Facebook video, I can't read all of them. It's too many. But right now I love it. Like the people that comment and stuff, I get to kind of get a feel for the people and know them, and y'all keep me going. Like that what I was telling him. Like he you know, he was talking about the story, his box, he got frustrated and stuff, ready to sell it. Then looking at the video keep him going. Like y'all see how I roll. Y'all really do keep me motivated. Like I come on one video, something happen, and y'all getting a live reaction. I'm like, man, I'm finna sell this car. Tired of it. Then the next day, I'm talking about build a plan. Cause what happened after I post that video, I read y'all comments, and it be the positivity and love and the energy. I'm like, man, I can't stop. And then I snap back, and the next day I'm right back at it. Brown coat gang, right back at it. So, yep, that's it. I'm finna get in the house, get the editing. Wife hit me, like, man, she needs some help. And them kids, boy, they getting her today. Tina and Shell getting to it. So I'm finna go in here, man, and family time and all that. Get Tina straighten out for her birthday. Like I said, if you wish my baby girl a happy birthday in the comments, I really appreciate it. I'm going to show her the video and be like, look, all these happy birthday wishes for you and all that. And that's gonna make her day. I'm pretty sure she'll be pretty happy. So that's it. I appreciate everybody. I'm out.